not Ron&Lou, so I'm going to be doing a vlog for today's video. Oh, I wish I had a pop socket. Need to put one on here. Anyways, I am in my office right now, so excuse the dirty mirror. This isn't my mirror, but I am working the open house for today, or I worked it. Open house means air show, and I'm not gonna have time to actually film this week, and I want to make sure I'm staying up to date on all of my content, so I figured I would just pull out my phone and vlog randomly. Our G7X is fixed, so we do have a brand new vlogging camera, but I didn't even think about vlogging until I was here. So excuse the fetus look, but I'm not wearing any makeup just in case I need to throw on my uniform and respond. You can wear makeup in your uniform, but you guys know I don't like to wear makeup at work. So today for the air show, it was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so it's 3 days. First day, military only. Second day and third day are open to the public. So I worked 2 days in a row, so that's a total of 6 days working this week, and technically 7 days counting today. What happened was, so if you're medical group, you normally have to work all weekend. So since I live off base, I do have to work, or I do have to be on base all day while the air show is running, just in case something happens. So I do have my uniform in my duffel bag, in my office cubicle, and I'll show you guys what my little cubicle looks like. I'll turn up the light and everything, but I'm just trying to work through this. So I'm gonna study while I'm here waiting for Lewis. We're gonna go out to the air show. I believe this is his first one as it is his first one as a military spouse, but he has attended air shows before. So what else am I doing today? On the weekend, so I had to wear my uniform both days. Friday of course, I worked like a 11-hour day Friday. So Saturday I worked, I'd say about 9 hours. It got canceled, the air show. It started thunderstorming. It does not rain that much in Montana, but for some reason it's been raining a lot. So we had to cancel the rest of the acts, but today we have a window of like 3 hours before the next storm comes. So it's actually good because it's not too hot. So I'm kind of grateful that it rained. So yeah, so if you guys see my attire, this is just to come into work, but I'm gonna change here shortly and head out with Lewis. I'm trying to update my passport because my last name changed and it's just been a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the restroom and I will show you guys my office. So welcome to Veronica. No, this isn't gonna go on Ron&Lou. This is gonna go on my channel. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. And if you guys do want to see vlogs of me, I upload pretty frequently on Ron&Lou. That is our vlog channel. So if you guys ever want to see like vlogs of what Lewis and I are doing, we update that channel regularly. So make sure you guys go hit subscribe. We just hit 100 subscribers, 900 to go. So you guys, this is my office and my uniform, my bag. Just working on some things. I'm not going to show you guys the screen. So I kind of just sit here every day. This is the latest award that I have won. Some other awards. And then some more coins, awards. That, and then my old flight commander gift, which I'm not going to show you all that either. So, yeah. Look who dropped in the office.
Hello.
Do you want to tell them that our G7X is fixed?
What is the G7X?
The Canon.
Oh, yeah, the Canon that I broke. The camera that I broke. Yeah, it's fixed. Cost us $360, but they sent us a new one, so that's cool.
Brand new, yeah.
New one, so cool.
I'm happy about that because at first I was kind of like, oh, great. But I bought that camera probably about a year ago, and I haven't really used it anyways that much because you guys know I used to vlog with my Sony. camera, but I didn't like how it shook, like the noise.
All the coins you got.
Honey.
She got a window open.
I know.
Camera screen. I mean your screen.
Oh, that. Yeah, it is. But yeah, so they sent us a new camera. So I'm grateful that we got a brand new camera for half the price as well.
We're gonna wait on that a little bit.
Yeah, did you see my latest award, honey? Because I just won another quarter.
Oh. All these awards. I'm proud of you. Look at them coins. They stacking up. Where my coin at? Is it in there?
You're not getting a coin.
No, the coin I got from Hearst.
Oh yeah, I don't know where that is actually. It should be in the car.
Why is it up there? So you can point to it and say,
mine.
this one is not mine. This is actually my husband's.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so, by the way, there's a ceremony I need to ask if you want to go attend with me or I can go by myself. So
Whose is it?
It's an induction ceremony for one of the airmen that I'm going to be supervising her soon. She made the next rank, so there's an induction ceremony when you make like the top 3 in enlisted ranks.
Oh.
So I'm not sure if you want to attend that or you want me to go by myself. It's not a big deal because Marcus and stuff will be going too, so.
Yeah. All right, well, let's go.
Guys, it is so windy up here. You can't see the plane, but he's up there. Lewis is mesmerized. See how he like hovers and stuff? On the flight line. Don't know if you guys could see what we're recording because it's hard to see in the air. But we're having a good time. Are you having a good time?
Ethan Cat.
Yeah.
Hey, this is your guys and gals on board. Let's get away as they fly by. You're 120 Heliquid.
So we're in the grocery store now. We left the air show.
Doing my husband duties, you know, since she works and I'm off during the summer.
If you guys have ever seen...
I've been cooking.
Well, if you guys have ever wondered what a commissary looks like, which is a military grocery store, this is what it looks like. And I'm on my phone, so I don't feel as scared to vlog, but...
Well, you know what if I made a marinade? Marinate the shrimp.
And then put it on the salad.
Yeah.
That would be good.
I don't know if I want this marinade.
Yeah, so I'm eating chips because I'm hungry, but I don't want to... All the food that they had out there was not good. I mean, we had a pulled pork sandwich, but it wasn't all that, so... Alright, well, let's continue. Honey, what are you getting? Oh, you're getting... What are you getting? Celery?
That new camera feature.
I know. Honey, say hello to the vlog. Well, you're driving, but there's Lewis.
Yes, this is.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so I just went and got my passport photo. I had to renew it. I got to use my passport doesn't expire till 23, but I have to update it and renew it just because my name changed, which is kind of annoying. Thanks, Lewis.
You're welcome.
And I feel like, man, I should have left Luke in my name so that way I wouldn't have to update anything. But yeah, I have to do all that. So I need to get a new photo because we are crossing the border here actually soon. Because we have a couple of trips planning for you guys coming up. So stay tuned. Subscribe to Ron&Lou if you want to catch out those vlogs that are going to be happening. But we are crossing the border soon. So yeah, we're going to go to Sam's now and get some Gatorade and water. And I'll probably have to stop over in Ulta to pick up my eyebrow pencil and then come back to Walgreens. So that's all we're doing. It's just a very productive Sunday. And it feels good to be this productive, you know, and not just sitting around at home. It actually feels good to me because I feel like I'm always, lately I've been sick or just something's always happening to me, I feel like. So it's good to get out and active like how I like to be. So yep, hopefully you guys are having a great Sunday. And sorry for, well, I'm not sorry, I just couldn't film at all this weekend because of the air show hours and stuff, and it's not enough time for me to actually sit down and film and do all that. So I will start back up next week with actual sit down footage. I have a bunch of collabs that I need to film. Actually, I think I have three collabs that I need to film. So those are going to be what's up next. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're back at the apartment and there is a storm coming in. And I don't know if you guys can hear us, but it is crazy. Sorry. So crazy. I want to do a time lapse of the storm, but I don't want to sit out here and do all that. It's just so crazy. Okay, guys, so I picked up my passport photo from Walgreens. $15 to get those done, by the way. So, yeah. And then there's a new foundation that I really want to try by a drugstore because I stopped in Ulta as well. But I just didn't want to... I didn't feel like looking for all the colors and stuff because I noticed Lewis was tired. He never says anything usually anyway, but he was just, yeah, babe, I'll come to Ulta with you, and he didn't say anything. He was just standing there patient, and I felt bad because I just wanted to pick up my eyebrow pencil, so got that. And then I saw Pacifica came out with a new foundation, and it has deeper skin tone colors in there. So I'm excited to try that. I swatched it on my hand, but I did wipe it off. I'm in between shades, so I'll have to buy 2 to make up for the shade that I am. So, but yeah, I don't know. It's so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. Lewis is really, really tired, so this is going to go on my main channel anyway. So this is more about me than him. But yes, my nail color has been updated, you guys, even though my nails grow so fast. So I am going to have to get... I have a nail appointment this weekend, though, actually. I'm done with acrylic. These are acrylic nails. Even though my nails are normally shaped like this anyways, but I just got acrylic because when you do hair, especially with oils and stuff, it causes your nails to break off. So I noticed that. So I wanted to get acrylic because I figured, hey, you know, try something new, get my nails done all the time, but I just don't like getting my nails done all the time. I like having my nails just natural, and then when I want to get them done, I can get gel polish, and then once it chips, I can just take it off. So I think I'm going to go, actually I'm going to try dip pattern one more time because Kevin swears that I'll love it when he does it. So I'm going to try it with him, and then if I don't love dip, I'm just going to go back to natural nails. So you guys will see nothing, but it's kind of hard because you have to maintain length, color in the military, and it's just a little bit more work and very costly because I'm constantly getting my nails done, except for that last time I did grow them out a lot. Sorry, it's so hard not having a camera and having a phone. Even though I have my camera, I just need to set it up. So ignore my bushy brows. They're fully growing back after the awful shapes that people have done to them. So just ignore how thick my brows are. But yeah, my brows definitely need to be shaped. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. I don't know how much air show footage I actually got. I'm sure it wasn't a lot, but honestly, it was so loud. They're blaring copyright music because, you know, to kind of make it cool, you have to have music go along with it. And so there was blaring music, and it just was a lot going on. And yeah, so the air shows here, we just had one a year and a half ago, and it was huge. We had the Thunderbirds, awesome. If you guys have ever seen them, like all these tricks, we had 40,000 people there. This one we did kind of last minute, so not as many people, but still fun. We have the Golden Knights, the Army Golden Knights. So sorry, I can't use that hand because I need to like rest my hand. So on this one, we have the Army Golden Knights, like I was saying, and it's nice and all. They have C-130s. We had the B-2 come out, which is a really cool plane. And then they did a bunch of tricks, parachuters. I mean, it was nice, but this one was good for being this base and last minute. It was a pretty good show. All of us people who had to work the air show weekend, I worked Friday, Saturday, so this is my first day off, which is Sunday, and I have work again tomorrow. So that's one thing that I wish you guys I had a body camera on me so you guys could see how much work that you do in the military and how much unpredictable hours you do. It's just like a salary job, though, where it's like, hey, you're going to work this weekend. Okay. But you're always on call 24/7. So for those of you who think, I work in the medical group, or you're going to work in the medical group, and you're going to think, hey, on the weekends I'm pretty much free. I mean, you are, but if we're ever recalled, if something ever happens, you belong to the military and you have to respond. So that's one thing that it's fun because I get to work and do so many cool things, but it's also kind of like, I'm always, it's hard to sleep sometimes for me because I'm nervous that we're going to get recalled in the middle of the night or something, but we don't typically do that. So, but here at this base, I would say out of any other bases, I think it's, a pretty unique mission just because of the stuff that we do. So it's fun, and I've never lived in big sky country before, and the mountains look beautiful from my doorstep. So, I don't know. Anyways, I've been rambling. So, I'm going to go ahead. Oh, and you guys, by the way, I'm off my birth control, so hopefully my skin stays like this. I think my skin's still adjusting because to fully detox hormones, my doctor, I don't have an OB. My doctor told me that once you stop immediately, you become fertile and all this stuff, whatever. But I don't know how long it takes my body to detox from the hormones. I would say 30 to 60 days for a full detox. So I'm still waiting for that, waiting for my skin to normalize, but I already feel so much better. So, yeah. All right.